Hello everyone, and good morning. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're fine. So here we are back with the third part, what I have promised to you that I will make, and this is the crypto. Okay, so today we will discuss only about the crypto. We will have a look what is going on and how it will develop in the upcoming days. So if you have any questions, feel free to use the chat. I can see both live chats from the TradingView and from the YouTube as well. So feel free to ask anything. If you have any questions, you can send me as well the private message. You can contact me through the email. You can send me the private message there on TradingView, or you can send me the private message in the Telegram. So feel free to contact me. And if you guys would love to join our community, you will have to go to my profile and to my website. Okay, the website is over there. The link is attached over here at the top of my profile or under every published idea. So at the bottom of the video you will find the description. Let's say you will find all the social links that are attached over there. So if you love to join us, go to the website, fill the form, pay the subscription, and I will add you to all our groups. You'll get the access to all the educational stuff, and you will be able to trade with us. Okay, so we are currently, as you know, trading together. We are opening, closing trades together. So every member of the academy has the responsibility to open, close, or take profit. So they're having the full control of the trades, and we all are following those decisions. So if you don't know what to do, we are discussing then what to do with the trade and what the other traders are thinking about. Then we take the decision and we close, open, or whatever do with the trade. So really powerful stuff. As I saw now, this is massively improving people knowledge, people experience, and this is what everyone needs. Okay, so everyone needs to be responsible for trade, otherwise you won't be able to learn. Okay, that's the best way to learn, the best way to gain the experiences. Okay, so let's go. Let's talk about the crypto. So what happened on the crypto? As you've been following me now for since a while, you already know that we've been forecasting every movement. So if you go back and watch the previous weekly market outlooks, okay, so here's one for example. So if you go back, watch the weekly market outlook from the 3rd to 10th April. Okay, if we go back, you'll see what we were forecasting there with the crypto. Okay, we were anticipating that the Bitcoin will go a little bit high. It will go down, then up, and then down. So let's have a quick look what basically happened, or what happened on the Bitcoin. Look at that one. You see? So this is what I'm trying to teach you. You have to understand the market behavior. You have to understand every single move. You have to understand the corrections. Okay, so that's what I teach people. This is the knowledge, and this is the powerful stuff. Only the way like that you will be able to make money. If you know every single movement, where it is going, how it is going, then you can make money. Okay, so as you can see from the forecast, if you don't know, go back, watch the webinars. They are uploaded on my YouTube channel. They are as well on TradingView. Under the profile you'll find the video, but best is go to the YouTube, find the webinar from 3rd to 10 April, go to the 1 hour and 1 minute, and then you will see the explanation of the Bitcoin. I ain't gonna go and explaining now for these moves. Okay, and another one that was the since 10 days ago we've been discussing about Bitcoin as well. Small wave to downside, then up. So what happened? Okay, it went from there. Okay, it went from there down there, and now it's doing what? Okay, now we will go and watch it forward, what it's about to do. Okay, so feel free to go back, watch our forecast, check our knowledge, see if this works, so see if it makes sense to you. Okay, if it doesn't make sense to you, then it's okay. If it makes sense, then continuously watching us, you can join us as well in our trading academy, in our team. You will learn even more than you think. Okay, so hi everyone, hi lovely. So Bitcoin, what we can expect currently on the Bitcoin, what is it going to do. Okay, so that's our forecast. I will still stick to it. Okay, I still didn't change my mind. Okay, I still see this one as an earning flat and more upside over there. Okay, so if we go to the lower time frame for our what we can have over there today. Okay, if we want to watch this as an expanded flat for more downside, then this is not a sell setup for you. Okay, so make things clear for you, this is not a sell setup for you. What you'll have to do is wait for this, wait for correction, then you can sell. Okay, so this is the only way how and when you can sell the Bitcoin. You cannot sell any other way the Bitcoin if you think that this is expanded for more downside, and if you are aiming the Bitcoin for continuation downside. Okay, but if you don't so, and if you think this is all that we have from there to there, this is the correction, we went low, make a new low, and now we are start going higher. Okay, then you should watch this development today. Okay, why? Because we are going now for this move over there. This is the forecasted move since 2 weeks or more than a month, let's say. Okay, we've been talking and discussing about it really since long. If you were trading from there, all the way down, congratulations, you have to take off your profit. Okay, even now in the pullback, if it happens, you have to close all the sells. I really do not recommend you holding the sell. That's not making sense. You will end up with a trouble or with the problems if you will hold trades for too long. Okay, so make sure that you take your profit on time. Don't hold the trades for too long, because they can easily reverse and it will, all the trades will be on break even. That's really bad. So make sure you will not be stuck in this kind of situation. Okay, but as we know, we are anticipating the buy and you all should follow us. So what it's trying to do, this is going to correct and you should go for this buy. Okay, this buy could be really fast, even faster than this one. Okay, but who knows, we have to check it and we will see. If you will get in and if this is not going, then get out of the trade. It could still go for the bigger correction and then continuation to the upside. Okay, so things can get even more complicated than you thought, because this is just the first impulse to the upside and still bigger correction needs to appear before going higher. Okay, that's the reason. So as it did there, went up, go for the bigger correction and then went up. Okay, same it could do there. If you get in, it's not moving, take off your profit or move it on break even at least. Then bigger correction, so it will be the flat flag, ground your flat or whatever correction, we don't know yet. It's too early to say, and it's not making sense to predict the correction. It's making sense that you are trading in the right direction. Okay, that's the point and that's the knowledge. Who cares about the correction? Okay, in the correction you ain't gonna make money, and corrections are only there to let us know where the chart will go in the bigger move. So you have to go for this buy, you'll see how it goes, bigger correction, get out, and once this correction it's completed, you are getting back into the trade again. Okay, if this drops so correct, then you know what to do. Then all the leverage traders can come in, start selling for this movement, and then we will go still up. Okay, we still gonna go up. There's no any other question that this is not gonna go higher. Okay, if this is the expanded flat goes slower, this move still has to appear. Okay, but it will start from there. That will be the difference, but I don't see it right now. Okay, so this option it's not possible for me right now. Okay, it's really not looking like that, and even there on lower time frame it's showing another sense of direction. Okay, you see this one, so go for the buy. Okay, how you will be buying this? Buy all the way back to that trend line. Sorry, arrow. Okay, so easy. That should be easy. So what else? Bitcoin dominance. What kind of question do we have over there? This is all of the correction. Did we break the low? Yes, that's the problem. We break the low. Okay, so now this could get complicated, get even bigger correction before it drops lower. Okay, if you are with me, you know that on Forex, your USD 1 month ago or 2 months ago, exactly similar structure, then it drops lower. Okay, so you can learn something from it. If you don't know what to do, stay away from this Bitcoin dominance for current move, okay? Nothing interesting is there. But it can still go lower, yes, that's for sure. Okay, that's for sure. It can still go lower. Can we assume that this is the correction? Yes, possible. This could be some sort of the expanded flat. Okay, this possibility as well exists. And if this, I think there will be a little bit bigger correction, going higher and then drop. Okay, this is as well possible. And what this will tell us, that all the altcoins will go for the upside. Okay, so all the altcoins will go upside, and Bitcoin as well will go upside. That's a wonderful job. Okay, everything will be like a puzzle. We have a question: are you working with price action? Not so. Okay, so I'm not pure price action trader. We are trading based on patterns. Okay, pattern is what we rely on, and based on that is how we trade. And then we have an entry strategy on lower time frames, of course, to get in, get out, and so on, to manage the trade. But no, it's not only price action, definitely not. So XRP, what it's trying to do, if this is some sort of completed correction, then this could as well start pushing higher. Can it drop lower? Not from point, or not from how it stands right now. Okay, it should drop, correct, then we will sell. From now, how it is, it's much more buy than a sell. Ethereum, same there. This could go up easily, and this is the similar structure as Bitcoin is having. If you see, and if you compare that, or keep in mind Bitcoin picture, look at that one. It's the same. Now this correct, going higher. So all the Bitcoins, all the altcoins is what I'm expecting to go higher. So it's a really good time now to keep an eye for all the investments, all the trades on crypto for a buy setup. Okay, don't just blindly buy. Find the proper setup, find how you'll get in, keep an eye on it, exit if it is not going, and you'll get in back again. Okay, so this trading should be easy. Okay, especially now when we know where is it going, the crypto market, because as you know, the mostly 90%, 95% of the crypto, it's moving the same direction. So if one will go, then you have a lot of chances that the others will go as well. So what I don't recommend you to invest in multiple, let's say altcoins, or that you will do multiple investments, because if one will go into the wrong direction, all of them will go, and you will have doubled your drawdown or double your risk. So that's not making sense. Pick 2, 3 maybe, and that's all. Go for it. If it's not going, get out. Easy. Okay, easy, because all of them are showing the same direction, and it should not be confusing. So wait for the direction, go for the trade. Okay, as you can see there from the Bitcoin, something is already happening. Okay, so there is something already happening that should go, and I really think that this is the separated correction, and this is all of the structure, and we are going higher. I really don't see, and I'm keep repeating, really don't see that Bitcoin and the rest are having this expanded flat for more downside. Okay, so that's really not the picture what I'm seeing, because like I said, that's the separated. This is all-time low, not all-time low from current correction, current wave to downside, and we will keep pushing higher. That's what I see, and keep an eye. Let's see if that will plays out. So LTC, what do we have over there? Here's where I see the expanded flat, right? That's expanded flat for me, and this is the correction and then going higher. But that's far away different from the Bitcoin and Ethereum view. Okay, far away from being the same picture. So what this one can do, let's have a look. Yeah, this could as well go higher. ADA USDT, so this one is the same. Look at that one, we nicely bounces off from the trend line, and if this corrects over there, give it a try. Let's see, take a buy back at the previous top is how we will be trading it. Okay, so I think you can make some money over there. At least what will be the minimum if you will be late in the trade? Yeah, 30% is the minimum, but I think they can go more. Okay, they can go more. Okay, BNB. That one is a little bit confusing one. Okay, so this went up, nice. So what we are having over there, same. If this correct, possibility that we will break the top exists. If it drops, correct, take a sell because we're gonna go and break the low. Okay, really important that you will understand this on time. Sorry for that. So if you get in, be aware and keep in mind what else can appear and how it will appear and when you should get out. Okay, once you see that there are some reactions, some sell stops, get out. Don't hold the trade and don't pray to the god that this will turn itself. No, it will go lower. And there's an interesting question for spot traders. They always buy and they say, I don't care where the price will go. Why would you do that? So if you can get out with the trade, and once the price break the low, you get in again, and there is where you buy again, not from there. You get out there with small little loss or even a break even, and then you buy again. That's the reason why, because you will your profit will gain. You see, 22% more you will make if you will buy from there going higher. Okay, so 22%, I think it's not a little. Okay, it's a lot, especially if you're investing a little bit bigger money. Shiba, what is it trying to do? Shiba, it's, let's see, let me take off this one. Let's make charts a little bit more clear. Okay, this one is an interesting one. This one has the possibility, or let's say, no, don't trade this one. It's not looking good, so pick the other one rather. Dash, if it corrects, take a buy. If it stops the previous low, get out, close the trade, buy back from the previous low. It can go lower. FIL USDT struggling over there. Okay, so yeah, that's the price where we bought previously. We bought there, we close it. Okay, now we are watching for buy again. So if this struggles there or give me any nice buy flag, take a buy. It could go easily back at the previous top. Dodo, for example, there was buy, get in, get out. You see, if you bought it, you should close it, because this is the confirmation that we are going lower. Okay, so why holding the trade, for example, from there? Okay, if any one of you didn't close the break-even trade over there, it's not looking good, or it's not making sense. It's better that you close, you save 30% of your capital, and you back in and you buy back. Okay, once we break the low, you buy back 30%. 30% more. 30% is what you will make more. Okay, so you will be 30% more in profit than if you will be holding it. So holding, it's not so powerful as it looks like. It could be more powerful if you see the chart on time and get out on time. TLM was trying to do, if this corrects there today, go for the buy. Okay, if not, this could still be the running flat. Let it drop, let it correct, go lower, break the low, even tagging this low, and then buy again. Okay, so this will be the decision where you have to be fast, or where you have to recognize the option. APK USDT up definitely, so keep an eye there. Let it give you any buy setups and go for the buy. Can it drop? Yes, but then it will stay there for sideways a little bit longer, then going lower, tag the low, then back buy. ATP USDT, this one is at the bottom. No, it's not yet, sorry. So what this one can do, this, give you the flat, and then go lower, break the low, and then buy. So what you can do, definitely you can watch for the buy. If you bought it, you will probably have to close it by the previous stop. This is where you will close, and then you will wait all the way to the downside, breaking this low or this one. Okay, so what I'm expecting is to break this one low, and then you will buy back. Okay, again, you will take profit there. So for example, how we will trade it: first, you bought, you made 50% of profit, you get out. Okay, you're not holding, you get out, and then price drop down, and then you're buying by the previous low again, and boom, you are buyer again. How much is your potential? Then you are able to make 770% of the profit over there. So that's a nice investment from the previous low, so make sure you will not miss one. I will as well place an alarm over there, would see if there are any options at the previous low. Okay, so how far it can go, let me see the weekly. Yes, nicely, this one can go easily back at the previous top as well, but not in the straight line, so make things clear for you. Nothing will go in the straight line. LTH USDT, what this one's trying to do, we are currently sitting at the low. Yeah, this will definitely go lower, break the low and then going higher. Okay, so keep an eye on it. This one going lower, break the low and then high. MTA USDT, buy. Okay, this is the buy, something like that. If it stops somewhere there, break the top, lose its momentum, start to struggle, give you the sell stop, take profit, buy back once it break the low, and you are in profit again. This one's like a sell. Okay, that looks like a flat. And more downside, break the low and then buy back. So 1 hour, what do we have over there? Nothing to sell right now, so let it correct over there, then you can sell. Otherwise you cannot say that this is the flat. Okay, if you do so, if you find that kind of situation, go for it. I mean leverage traders, right? Spot traders should wait. I would be really happy if this breaks the low, then there will be a lot of chances. Okay, because this is the correction for sell. This is the correction for sell. So we will see in the nearly future that this one will be breaking. So this low will be breaking. So if you're patient enough, you can just simply wait and then you will bought from the low. That's how you have to trade. BLOK USDT. That's interesting one. I think this could be the correction and we are going higher, but there's one more problem over there as well. This could be running flat as well and we are going low, break the low and then going higher. So if you get any buy over there, as it is trying to form right now, if you go for any buy over there, watch the trade closely. Okay, you have to close it in case if it starts to going lower. So again, if you bought there, you should be closing it somewhere there. This is the 0.10 loss, so nothing. This is a break even, we call it a break even. If this situation appears over there, once you bought, goes like this, go drop, correct, take it off. Okay, because it's gonna go back at the previous low and then you buy from the low. Okay, this one, there's where everyone should be interested for buy. XRD lower, definitely. Okay, I think this is going lower. Another chance is that this is more complicated structure, going higher and then drop, the correction will get bigger. That as well exists, so keep an eye there. Okay, really interesting, important, sorry, what the price will do. It can as well go up, giving you the flat over there, drop, giving you, sorry, drop down, breaking the low and then going higher, right? So that as well exists, so keep an eye on it, watch it. .USDT going higher already, so if this corrects, keep on buying back at the previous top. XMR sliding higher, slowly, but it's going right. So if this corrects, buy. NEO USDT, if this as well corrects, buy. Then this is the structure running flat, sorry, this is the running flat and we are going higher, so keep an eye. This is the really important part where you have to recognize the patterns correctly. So if this so, then this. ANG, same there. If it corrects, buy. If it just go lose its momentum, this is the running flat and we are going lower, break the low and then we'll go higher, and this will be all the correction. And breaking the low, it's making sense because this as well will be one big running flat which will break the low and then going higher. So buying from this low over there, it's making a lot of sense. So You have to be careful over there. Once you buy, you have to keep your trades on eye, okay? Keep it on your eyes. You should not forget on it because it could easily reverse. So then in this case you have to get out with the break-even trade, okay? So easy, not complicated stuff. Dodge. Yeah, Dodge is as well setting up for some good movement, as I can see. Okay, so but be careful. This could be running flat. This could be the correction, breaking lower, then going higher, then giving you this running flat, breaking lower, and then going higher. So Dodge could be complicated. Okay, not that good one. So by the way, you guys should be there with us once we were buying it somewhere there. We've been buying the Dodge from somewhere there, and those moves are really nice. Okay, so once this starts to go, then this goes 1000%. Okay, so 1000% are there. So let me just quickly show you our forecast. It's on the profile, so you'll see how our analysis works, right? Look at that one. February 5th, 2021. Okay, so there is where we've been buying it. So what the price did, gone a little bit lower. Look at that one, exactly to that point, and then start building buys. Okay, so this is the spot where you should be buying it. Okay, so then price starts to pushing higher, went up amazingly. Okay, so look at that one. From spot over there where we've been buying it, it went nicely to the upside. Nice buy. Now we are here. Okay, so be careful what you're doing currently from this spot. Maybe this one's not so interesting currently. Okay, currently not that interested one. We'll rather wait for clear setup. GTUSDT. This one can go up, break the top, go lower, and then going higher. You can watch this correction, buy, and see how it goes, how fast it will go. This one can correct over there, and then going lower, break the low. Be careful. Mana USDT. This one can go higher, right? So this could be all the correction, and this, if this corrects, go for the buy. It's gonna go back at this top as well. Okay, so good trade to watch, so keep an eye. So guys, don't be, let's say, stuck with not looking good charts because you read something fundamental about the coin or some bullshit on some news. Okay, don't rely on any fundamental because you will get yourself in trouble. You always have to pick the chart that resonating with you the best, that where you can see the potential, where you can see the setup. This is what you have to pick, not trading something what is good fundamentally. That's not making sense because the fundamentals are just talking bullshit. You cannot trade based on the fundamentals, and I can prove, or probably you have already proven to yourself, that you lost a lot of money trading on fundamentals, so that's for sure. So don't keep on digging forward with trading on fundamentals. It's boring, it's not making sense, and there's a lot of useless stuff about this. Sit down, watch the pattern, study the pattern, watch the setup, see the setup, get in, and enjoy your day. That's the easiest part, how you should trading. So SOL, this one can go as well higher. Okay, if this corrects, higher. You see, mostly they are the same. So if this one corrects, go for the buy. Okay, go for the buy. It's gonna be a nice buy over there back at this top. All of them are showing this potential back at the previous top. Mostly, let's say 90% of the altcoins are showing the nice potential back at the previous top. So you can make some money out there. Okay, why not? So here's what we did. So those who are first time there, we watched the sells, we saw the sell, we will start selling it. Okay, we end up with selling, we start watching for buy, we bought, profits out, let it go, we buy back in again. Okay, we are buying back again. It's not making sense that I bought there and just forget. No, it's not making sense. Getting it out, that's the powerful stuff you have to do. Algo, we still didn't break the low, but give it a chance. If this corrects, go buy.
that may be all of the low, and that could be the correction going this higher, giving you the flat, and then going lower, going higher. Okay, so it's a nice potential over there, so you can give it a try. If it's not going, get out. Okay, easy. This one really looks like a running flat, so be careful. Don't buy without having the correction. So if this is the running flat, that should go lower. Okay, it's gonna go and tag the previous low before it's doing anything. Okay, because this is the correction, this is going lower. Now we will go into the bigger correction, big flat will appear over there, and then one more down before next big buy will appear over there. So kind of complicated correction. See how you can trade it. For now there is no buy setup, you have to wait for nice buy setup, then take a buy. Okay, don't chase it without having the at least flag over there, right? So this one going lower, this one really looks like a running flat as well, going lower. DFI, if this corrects over there, bought it back at the previous top. BNB Bitcoin going back at the top totally. So there are some of the trades that we took. Okay, that one didn't appear, but it went down from there and then again there. What you can do, buy it. How far it can go? Back at the previous top, then you can struggle and then going higher. You will see. BTM, stay away from this one. Algo, this one can go for the sell. If it corrects, you can buy. Okay, if this corrects over there, you can buy back at the previous top. But this could be as well the sell, breaking the low and then going up. Okay, so be careful how you are trading with which pair, and what is the most important, to keep your trades on your eyes. Okay, there are too many trades now. I ain't gonna go through all of them. It's gonna take us too much time. So this one to correct going higher, that will build some kind of the channel over there. It can as well break out, correct, and then continuously pushing higher. So this one is good as well. Keep an eye on it. Let's see how that develops. It could be a nice channel over there. So that's correct, going higher. Eyes on. You see this one, make correction, went up, it stopped there. What do you need? Correction, if it will continue to the upside. If not, it will just start to drop. Sushi, interesting part. This could be the flag going higher. Let's see for the buy stop over there. Same there, correction, buy. That smells like a running flat. And then we're down back at the previous low. You buy back again at the low. Okay, so that's mostly out of it. Correction, go back. Guys, do you have any questions? I will not go to all of them, there are too many of them. So if there is any altcoin that I didn't have a look on it, feel free. Or let me complete this one. Okay, I'll complete those few of them more, and feel free to comment. Okay, use the live chat, type in if there's any pair that I didn't have a look. This one, if it corrects, buy. Okay, so this one definitely watch for buy. Be careful for this flat, new low, and then going higher. So that's your potential target. Sushi. Okay, this looks like a sell. If it's not correct, then buy. Gala, correction, you buy. Matic, mind checking pound USD. Yes, I can check a USD. That's gonna be the end of the webinar, but we already did the Forex first. But yeah, I can do check for you. If this correct, buy. Okay, no, it could be a nice buy. Turkish lira. What the Turkish lira is doing over there? So this one correction, buy as well. 1 inch as well, watch for buy. Okay, see how far it will take us. This one is going already. Okay, there was some running flat probably in the lower time frame. Yes, correct. It's going higher, so break even trades. No, we didn't do the Forex in this webinar, Vortex. We did the Forex in the previous webinar. But I will keep an eye on pound USD for you at the end. Give me 2 more minutes. So send, correction, then buy. Okay, if you bought somewhere there, you're supposed to close already those trades. we went, look at that one, that's the educational part. If you have a structure, what I'm always saying, be careful, break the low and then buy back. So if you do so, look at that one, you bought there, you get out at least with the break even, you wait for break the low, you buy back, okay, you watch it carefully, you buy back, and boom, you're already 50% in the profit. That's the first, that's the minimum. If this corrects, you add more, you add more, you add more, you add more, and keep going. Okay, potential is how much? Here, 80%. Okay, if you trade like I have shown you, 80% of the chance. If you are a holder and you have no knowledge how to get in, how to get out, and so on, because it's not that easy as it looks like. Okay, you need the rules. You need the rules, how to get in, when to get in, and so on. If you'll be holding from there back up there, you're making only 30%. You see the difference? Okay, that's what I'm trying to show you. This is the difference. If you're getting out and getting in on a really good spot, on the spot that it makes sense for a reversal, this is powerful. You will make 50% more. Okay, 50% of the profit more. I think it's a really good number. So you should not ignore this stuff, what I'm trying to show you or share with you. Okay, what I do, I'm constantly teaching my traders how to do this kind of stuff. Okay, getting in and getting out. I would love to show you as well the same example. So let's move forward. Here, this one is as well interesting chart. If it starts pushing higher, giving you buy stop, take a buy. H bar, buy definitely. Okay, that's a definitely buy. Let's see correction, buy more. Okay, keep an eye on it. FTM. If this corrects, it will go back at the top, go lower, and then going higher. Okay, so keep an eye on it. OGN, not interesting. If it makes a buy, you can buy it. Okay, something like that can appear easily. CHRUSDT, correction, buy back at the previous high. Okay, so this is everything from the crypto. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm here to answer all your questions, so do not hesitate. Just ask. And if you want to join our team, our academy, if you want to take your trading to the next level, want to get some more experience, then you are welcome in our team. Okay, you will have to go to the website, and then I will give you the, once you pay the subscription, I will give you the access to all educational stuff, to our academy, to our community, and of course to the chat where we are discussing about the trades. IOTA USDT, where is it? I think we did it already. No, we didn't. I will add it. I don't have it over there. Let me just add it. IOTA. Come on. Buy. Okay, IOTA is the buy. That could be an interesting chart, because this IOTA, a good chart. IOTA make a running flat. We break the low, so that could be the completion. You can buy. Watch this chart, of course. Okay, so good one. Okay, one of the followers have been asking for this one, and this is the good chart to watch. Okay, watch for buy stop over there. Good one. What else? Okay, do we have any questions? Probably this is a good to watch during the day today. Any questions? Yeah, I will watch the pound USD. This will be the only one for expert that I will watch, because we said that we will discuss about the crypto only pairs over there today. Okay, so if in this time, if you guys have any question about the crypto, feel free to use the chat. I will answer your questions. So let's have a pound USD look what we have over there. Pound USD, what is it trying to do? Okay, it didn't go for this bigger correction. what we've been expecting. So let's take off this one. Let me have a look. Oh, that could be the sell. So watch for sell stop, you can take a sell. Okay, you can watch for sell stops over there. How far? Breaking this low. Okay, if it breaks correct, you can sell more. Okay, so keep an eye. If you get the sell earlier than breaking this low, great. That's gonna be into your favor, into your benefit. But definitely watch for the sell stops. Okay. Cheers to you as well. That's IOTA, it's interesting chart, yeah, so watch it. What is the potential on this one? Oh, there's kind of huge potential. That is the maximum what we can get out of the trade. So yeah, 100. Let's say 200% of profit is possible over there. So good trade to give it a try at least. If it is not going, then you guys have to have a strategy to get out on time on the break even. Any questions? One more FTT USDT. Yep, let's see. Let's see FTT USDT. I think I don't have it. FTT USDT. Let's see what do we have over there. Oh, it's kind of the same, like Bitcoin, kind of similar one. So I think this is the pattern in the middle. So we may go up. Yeah, that could be a nice buy over there. So watch it, watch there, watch this how it develops, and go for the buy. Okay, good one as well. Keep an eye, watch how that flag develops over there, and definitely go for the buy. You will see how it goes. Both of them are looking nice, IOTA and FTT. Congratulations for this chart. So you see, it's better to trade charts like this one. Don't trade the complicated charts. Okay, I've seen many people are always digging or making headaches with the charts that are not looking good, that are having the complicated structures. Okay, so don't do that, guys. Trade what is almost ready to go, what is clear to trade, and don't make yourself hard, your life hard. Make it easy, because trading, it's not hard, it's easy. It's supposed to be easy. Don't make it complicated. Okay, so if this is all, I will end the webinar over there. So if you guys are interested to join our team, our academy, links from the social sites are under the video. If you have any additional questions, send me the private message there on TradingView, and you can send me the email as well. Wherever you will contact me, I'll answer all your questions. So feel free to join us. Yes, trading is simple. It's not an easy when we come to the live market, that's for sure. You need the rules, you need a strategy. Then it becomes easy. And rules that you can apply on every market. Okay, we have the same strategy for crypto, forex, whatever we trade. Okay, everything is the same. No difference. No difference at all. So okay, thank you everyone for being there. If you were happy with this webinar, share it with your friend. You may help to him as well to make some profit. So I see some people are learning, and some of them are still making some profit out of the webinar. I really appreciate that. So this is the purpose of the webinar, so keep on sharing it. Let the people make money and get the knowledge about trading. So this is it. Take care and enjoy your week and make a lot of success, a lot of profits. Take care, enjoy your day, and bye bye.